environmental pollutants. That means they pollute the environment. So see, you're talking about fuel burning, right? You're talking about an ideal combustion where I should be getting ideally carbon dioxide and water. I do not have much to worry about. But then because the combustion is not ideal, because of the conditions, there will be some hydrocarbons which will not be burned. There would be carbon which would be incompletely oxidized. So that means it would not go to carbon dioxide. It would rather go to carbon monoxide. This carbon coming from the hydrocarbon. And then you have so much of nitrogen in air. So this nitrogen can combine at this high temperature with oxygen to give rise to different oxides. NOx, under which we have NO and NO2. So, why are these referred to as pollutants? Now, before I write something else down, let me show you something as a picture. If you look at this picture, and if you look at the white pointer, what you see is at the top of this picture, it's written photochemical smog. I will come to that word later, or those two words later. But remember the smog, which means that you have heavy pollutants in the air. Now look at the picture below. What you see is, not only do you see so many cars running, but if you look at the atmosphere, it's very, very hazy. No way can you say that it is clean air that you are breathing. It's very hazy. It is hazy. Why? One of the main reasons why we have pollutants, is the emission coming out from cars. So then I can write emission from cars are a huge source of environmental pollution. It's a huge source. Okay. Now, what do cars do to stop this? So let's look at a picture of a car. So if you look at this car, and again if you follow my arrow, so you can see it's written as, so this is the skeleton of a car, and you're seeing some components inside. I will tell you which are the main components right now we'll be discussing about or relevant for our discussion. If you look at this one, this is called the exhaust manifold. Exhaust manifold means nothing, that when the engine is driving, your hydrocarbon is burned. It's a big no-no, right? Because pollution is very harmful for us, and in big cities, it is directly related that in big cities, the more the number of cars you have, the more number of automobiles you have, the greater is the pollution. So then each and every car has to do something about it. And this is compulsory. So what do cars do? So each and every car is equipped with something referred to as a catalytic converter. If you see my pointer or arrow, I am moving this pointer over this word catalytic, then converter. Do not worry about the 3A.